So in this video, I talk about the things I wish I knew before I started doing Airbnb. Well, the one thing I kick myself about is I wish I'd started earlier. I didn't believe the hype about Airbnb. I didn't think I could make much money. I went on the Airbnb site and checked out their calculator that calculates how much your property would earn, and I didn't believe that. And finally I talked with my brother and talked with a few people and decided I would try it. And wow, lo and behold, I did earn money. I did make money, and I've done very well. I shouldn't say I, it's my family too. We've done very well, and so I really wish I'd started earlier. Actually, that goes for YouTube as well, but talking about Airbnb. So I would definitely believe that calculator. If it says you're going to make a certain amount of money, it's very accurate. So yeah, I would believe that. I wish that I had gotten towels that are like orange and other colors. That sounds odd maybe, but they hide stains. So you need to sort of think about guests using things a lot and what colors are best for keeping them looking, as good as they can, because they're going to be used a lot. What else?